Hi, let's talk about the consequences model. It's really about making decisions, and the advice here is to make decisions fast and promptly. Well, we're often reluctant to make a decision. We're often thinking about getting as much information as possible, but sometimes delaying this decision making is itself a decision. So try making decisions early. Why? Because the extent to which your decisions influence the things around you or in your business or in your relationships is actually much wider, much higher in the beginning. As the time passes, the consequences of the decision is actually going down. Another thing that we should take into consideration is that always look at this decision making as a learning process. You never lose. You're actually learning after making certain decisions. And yes, we can make mistakes, but we'd rather make mistakes early than not making a decision and then suffer the consequences later. So rule number 1, make decisions early. Rule number 2, not making a decision may be itself a decision, so beware of that. And rule number 3, you rather regret things that you have done than the things that you haven't done. So good luck and make a decision.